What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. Monday, March 17th, 2025. It's not even 5:45 here in the fucking morning in the great communist state of New York. They call it the People's Democratic Republic of New York, by the way. Shit is just twisted in America right now, by the way. Shit is twisted. Even though our commander-in-chief has his highest ever approval rating, we have the woke liberals of this world, of our country, wanting to just keep their ideology embedded into the fabric of our nation and our country. I got a buttered poppy seed roll, a Kaiser roll. A buttered Kaiser seed roll. Kaiser seed. I have a buttered poppy seed Kaiser roll. And I have Sunday's post. I brought the post in this morning because I needed to share with you a summary of this article that is on page 3 of Sunday's New York Post, titled, "Is Your Baby Gay?" You've got to be fucking shitting me. I kid you not. But first, I got to make some coffee. It wants me to fill the water tank. So I'm filling the water tank. I'm using this water filtration system that gives RO water, reverse osmosis water. It's been telling me to change the filter, I don't know, for months, maybe a month after I installed it. I have another one up there. It was up there. Maybe Daniel took it. I gotta ask Daniel if he installed it in his house. But one regret with the Jura, this is the S8. One mistake with the Jura for the shop is that I should have purchased a model that has the auto water feed. We're going to make a latte macchiato this morning. This screen, by the way, is customized. I could change the icons here, the order, the positioning. I can do other things as well. This is the Jura S8. It takes fresh ground beans, and we normally have 100% Kona coffee, but I got the Lavazza from Italy, and I have the backup, the Pete's. I got that from good Mr. Sam. He told me about that. We haven't opened it up yet, but you can also do the... can you do the ground? Maybe you could do the ground here as well. Yeah. You could add ground beans, right, for that container there. But it's not enough ground coffee. Okay. It's okay, buddy. It'll be all right. Okay, here you go. So let's make a latte macchiato. We're going to push that button. It's going to, let's make it a little bit stronger. Coffee strength. The 8 ounces of total volume. We're going to do 10 seconds of milk. Watch how it does this. And in case you're feeling need a little pick-me-up, you can throw some Kahlua in there. We got some 1942. We got some vodka in the freezer. I keep my house happy. You know what I mean? Keep the house happy. Speaking of happy house, today is Monday. I got to take down the 2 palm trees from the upper tier of the pallet rack. I got to water them. They've been sitting here since, I think, early November or maybe late October. And every Monday, I bring them down with the forklift by Diack Industries. This is the model MP001. It's a prototype, only one of one. They didn't sell for some reason, but nonetheless, it's all good. We're going to water those plants today. Now it's making the coffee side of it, and then we'll do a rinse. So today, Peter and I installing yet another A.O. Smith hybrid heat pump water heater. I actually love them. They're big, but I love them. And if you have solar panels on your roof generating electricity, it's a no-brainer. It really is a no-brainer to have an electric heat pump water heater. Fun fact, for every dollar of electricity or energy you give a traditional electric element water heater, every dollar you give it, it gives you $1 back of hot water. Every dollar that you give a hybrid heat pump water heater, want to take a guess how much hot water it gives you? Take a wild guess. Guessed? $4 of hot water. Fascinating. It wants me to enjoy. And now I gotta clean the milk system. So since I'm the only one, excuse me, who makes these macchiato drinks here, we're gonna do it right now. I got my, that's gonna go there. We're gonna take this off of there. I just do a little pre-cleaning. I like to be a little anal about things sometimes. So we're gonna clean up the hose with some cold water. It's still cold. I'm keeping it real. It did not get hot at all. And we're gonna put that in there. Okay, I'm gonna take the other cup, put that right there, and we're going to clean the milk system. It's gonna warn me, it takes about 2 minutes, but there we go. This is also a great opportunity to put our milk away, and then we're going to enjoy a latte macchiato. Wow. I just went to Costco. I think it was Monday. All the Sunkiss is gone. I don't know what was there, but that's gone. And I gotta tell you, these youths, they don't believe in refilling the fridge. You have Red Bull back there, whole case of it. The Coca-Cola. Check out the freezer. See? Is your company fridge stocked like this? Is it? Keep it real. Is your company fridge stocked like that? It sure ain't. I know it ain't. The standing pilot gas valve instructional video is on the Mikey Pipes HVAC training channel, as well as the fan center relay video. That's videos 1 and 2. Every week we're going to put a video on the Mikey Pipes HVAC training YouTube channel. This is our live fire training facility. We have 5 condensing systems. We have a wall of vertical PEX that's going to carry some hot water through it as soon as we connect there and there to there and there. Huge shout out to our corporate sponsor, US Boiler, fine manufacturers of Burnham products like the US Boiler Burnham Alpine and the US Boiler Burnham Alta. Exceptional, phenomenal machines. And of course, let's not forget about Webstone, a brand of NIPCO. Awesome company. They design products such as the circulator isolation flanges that let you save time and money and reduce the risk of leaks with their cool, funky valve configuration setups. There's just a few of them. The isolator, the Propal, the tankless service heaters, our primary loop manifold, and our Pro Connect fittings and valves. Work smarter with Webstone. So, you know what? I gotta have a sip of this coffee first. We gotta stir. You know, we need a stir to stir that up there. Fresh water. Really? Oh, hold on. Wants more fresh water. Still cleaning the milk system. So, yesterday morning, I didn't work yesterday morning. At least not for Pipe Doctor. Little side jobs, you know what I mean? So yesterday morning, I made breakfast. I didn't do the hash browns yesterday like I normally do. I just did some eggs, and I did I got some rolls from the supermarket. I was there at 7:30 in the morning. So I'm reading the paper, and on page 3 is this just ridiculous article that in the state of Jersey, there's a hospital that asks parents for their baby's preferred pronouns and sexual orientation. Can you believe that shit? Apparently, the Inspira, INSPIRA, Health's Sexual Orientation and Gender Identity Questionnaire, right, which looks like that right there. Right there. See that? Look at that. Apparently it asks new parents to identify their babies as either male, female, right? Hold on. That makes common sense, right? Transgender or queer. Or additional gender category. It further asks parents to select the word that best describes their infant, lesbian or gay, straight or heterosexual, self-described, questioning/unsure. What the fuck is wrong with people? Seriously. So this healthcare system apparently operates 4 hospitals, 2 cancer centers, and 8 health centers throughout South Jersey. And they created this form last year. This is where it gets fucked up, ladies and gentlemen. They created this form last year to comply with the newly enacted Garden State Law, which is a New Jersey law, that requires healthcare providers to collect race, ethnicity, sexual orientation, and gender identity in a culturally competent and sensitive manner. Sandy, a new mother, 34 years old, says, the form is completely crazy. And anyone who would dictate a baby's sexual orientation probably has an agenda. Holy shit. You've got to be fucking kidding me. You've got to be fucking kidding me. So apparently there's a Senator Holly Shapazi. She's a Republican from Bergen County. Told the Post that the entire thing lacks such common sense and it serves no purpose whatsoever. And then this lawmaker said she'll introduce a bill this week to revise New Jersey's mandated language limiting collection of such data to patients 16. Limiting the collection of such data to patients 16 and older. So guess what? As long as this bill passes, if you're under 16, you're not going to be forced to be a tranny at birth. Holy fucking shit. You've got to be fucking kidding me. There is something seriously wrong with the woke Democrat. It's beyond that. It's beyond that. And it gets worse. We're not just talking about the Jersey state. We're talking also about illegal fucking criminals in our country, gangbangers from Venezuela, who are murdering Americans, that one federal judge decided that no, temporary halt this process. Donald Trump, you can't deport these illegal immigrants who have murdered people that are hardcore criminals. No, bring them back to the United States. Holy fucking shit! What is wrong with society? Let that sink in for a fucking minute. Figured it's raining out. Might as well give the palm tree some acid rain. Oh, I didn't account for getting my forklift wet, though. Nah. Oh, well. I don't understand what is up with their agenda. Why are they trying to destroy our country? But how is it that Nancy Pelosi has so much fucking money? Oh yeah, and the Biden family too. Career-long politician has tens of millions of dollars. God, I'm in the wrong business. And you are too. Catch you in the next one. Be well. God bless. Stay safe.